In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a high vibe pendulum to help you sleep better. So if you're having trouble sleeping, you can't fall asleep, having insomnia, etc., it's likely due to the fact that your crown chakra is overactivated. And it's very easy to solve this problem using a pendulum. So you need to get a high vibe pendulum like this one here. This is Alchemist, for example. I've got some other high vibe ones here I can show you. So I have like the Akashic. This is another good one. Got the Venus here. Got the Violet Flame Toth. I've got lots of these. They're on my website. But basically, you need a special pendulum. You just can't use it can work with other types, but you're not going to get as good result with just like a crystal pendulum from the store or whatever. You need to have a pendulum that really interacts well with the energy field. Okay, that's the first step. The next step is you just use a simple command. You just say reduce the size of the crown chakra. And then you rotate the pendulum a few times. And you can just say, I witnessed a person falling asleep. All right. That's basically it. And the person often will fall asleep. So just recap, reduce the size of the crown chakra, and then make a statement to the effect of I witnessed a person falling asleep. Okay. And ideally do this over the person's head, but if you can't, you can just do it as a distance healing, like write their name on a card, and when they go to bed, just do it at the time they would normally fall asleep. You can also do it for yourself that way. If you can't, obviously you're not going to be able to put it over your head, so you can just take a witness card. The other thing you can do is you can take your pendulum and just make a statement like, change the energy of the room to blue, or change the energy of the room to black. Both of those, highest good of all concerned. You always got to do it for the highest good of all concerned. Both of those will have the effect of shifting the energy frequency of the room to a calming color. And blue is a pretty calming energy for most people. Black is too. Black is the absence of all energy. It's like either total absorption or just the absence of light. So that will also stimulate sleep. And then you can do some commands like highest good of all concerned, I'll fall asleep quickly. Highest good of all concerned, I won't have any disruptions or interruptions while trying to fall asleep, etc. But the main thing there is just the crown chakra and then the energy of the room. So those are the two major things that will help. Another really neat thing about the pendulum's movement is that the movement is the same frequency as a delta wave. And the delta wave is the same brain wave that you have when you're sleeping. So you could even try to just hold the pendulum over a person's head and just rotate it for a little while. And this will also induce sleep after a short time, because the brain will go into resonance with the frequency of the delta wave, and then the person will fall asleep. Okay, this is all in my book, Pendulum Alchemy, a practical guide for healing and manifestation. I highly recommend you get it if you don't have it. If you're new to Pendulum Alchemy, please like and subscribe to this channel. Check out my website, it's in the description. Also, I have a Facebook group and an Instagram page, Pendulum Alchemy. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.